Hello, welcome to this new React series. If you are someone who wants to learn React from the beginning in a very simple way, then you are right place. In this first video, we will understand what is React, why it was created, who made it, and why it became so popular. Let's first discuss what is React. React is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. It helps developers build fast, interactive, and modern web apps with less efforts. Now, you might ask, why was React even needed? Before React, we were using plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and sometimes jQuery to build websites. This was fine for small projects, but as a website became larger and more dynamic, it became harder to manage. Like, the code became messy, reusing parts of UI was difficult, updating the UI after every small change was slow. Developers were spending more time fixing bugs and managing the UI than building features. Let's discuss who created React. So, Facebook was also facing this problem with their growing websites. A software engineer at Facebook named Jordan Wolke created React to solve this issue. React was first used by Facebook in 2011 and later released to the public as open source in 2013. Now see, what problem does React solve? React introduced a new way of building web apps using something called components. These components are small and reusable blocks of UI. For example, a button, navbar, or a form can be separate components. With React, you can reuse components across pages, update only the part of the UI that changed, manage complex UIs with clean and organized code. All this leads to faster development and a better user experience. Now see why React is so popular today, because it is easy to learn, especially if you know JavaScript. It is used by big companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. It has a huge community, so you get tons of tutorials, packages, and support. It opens the door for many job opportunities in web development. Whether you are a beginner or a planning career switch, learning React is a great step. I hope now you have a basic idea of React. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for this watching.